This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, November 25th. The information provided on this board is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Based on a couple sales in central Alberta on Monday, steers 900 plus 407 to 425, 8 to 900 420 to 450, 7 to 800 460 to 505, 6 to 700 516 to 540, 5 to 600 580 to 633, 4 to 500 676 to 752, 3 to 400 720 to 745. Heifers 900 plus 375 to 393, 8 to 900 383 to 407, 7 to 800 410 to 420, 6 to 700 476 to 511, 5 to 600 522 to 573, 4 to 500 550 to 620, 3 to 400 540 to 650. Yesterday in southern Alberta, bred heifers traded from $4,600 per head to $7,800 per head. Bred cows traded from $4,300 per head to $6,000 per head. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volume smaller than the previous week. Western Canadian steer carcass weights average 1,016 pounds, setting a new record high. Western Canadian steer carcass weights are heavier than weights seen in eastern Canada. Feedlot inventories are backing up, and part of it has been related to reduced slaughter rates. Even though plant maintenance is scheduled, over the past 3 weeks, Western Canadian fed slaughter is down 18,000 head versus last year. In the cow trade in central Alberta Monday, D1 to 2 cows 185 to 215, D3 cows 160 to 185. Bulls in central Alberta yesterday brought 190 to 237. In the U.S., over 500 head of cattle traded in Iowa yesterday, with live sales reported at 208, $8 to $10 lower than last week. Buying interest could pick up sooner rather than later, as both buyers and sellers would like to get things wrapped up before the Thanksgiving Day holiday. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around $218 in the north and $224 in the south. USDA released its November 1st cattle on feed report last Friday, and it was viewed as neutral. Feedlot placements for the month of October were 10% below last year. Despite the negativity surrounding the futures market, U.S. feedlots continue to place themselves into tighter numbers, as this is the 7th consecutive month that feedlot placements have been below last year. National bone cows averaged 300.48 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 70.98, up 2 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. December 205.37, down 182. February 205.02, down 250. April 206.20, down 170. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta Beef Producers.